How to wash your hands. Spend about 20 seconds washing your hands. First, start putting your hands underneath the water. Then apply enough soap for both of your hands. And then rub your hands in. Rub it. Rub your thumb. Rub in between fingers. Good. You want to make sure all the bacteria are getting off. Like that. And now you will rinse off the water. And your hands are clean. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked my video, please like it and subscribe to my channel and comment below if you would like me to show you something else. Bye!